Hot Pocket is, when you told me, you're like, what are you doing for toilet paper? I was like, what do you mean what am I doing for toilet paper? Like, you didn't get any?
No.
Early fall descended on the drive back country.
All right, what's day one? Give us a rundown of what we got ahead.
It's 9:17. We just pulled up to the trailhead and about to go hike for 2 hours in 25-degree pitch black.
I believe it's RJ. What up? You ready? Ready to hike?
Ready to something good?
Yep.
Okay, here's what we're looking for. Glassing, water. So look for large water high elevation.
Large water here.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Miss the taste of liquor, or really anything about it, but the temporary shelter was a welcome compromise. Oh, friend, I'm gonna ride out of the rut I'm in. A little elevation and an open-ended prayer. Holding out for more than breaking even. I've come back to the mountains and they're all still standing there. The bull had come in tight and he was screaming in dark timber. I could see his brown eyes moving, hear him breathing as he wheeled. With tomorrow full of promise.
Didn't see much. Now trying to get water. What's our game plan right now?
We're not going that way.
Us to make a meal. Oh, friend, I'm gonna ride out of the rut I'm in. A little elevation and an open-ended prayer. Holding out for more than breaking even. Well, I've come back to the mountains and they're all still standing there.
Possibly get sleeping pads.
And possibly sleeping beds.
We just slept in the truck. And we had to change spots. We figured we'd come to town, grab some dinner, and just get a hotel room. Well, apparently today there's a solar eclipse here, and
Every single hotel room was sold here in town.
every single one.
In every town around.
The only
So-
other option we had was to buy a $160 campsite, which was basically pointless. If we wanted to camp, we could just go camp.
Yeah. But we couldn't because y'all's sleeping pads don't hold air. So we slept in the truck.
We're talk to those fly fishers and be like, hey, you want to make a little extra money? I know you know where the elk are at. Take me to them.
I
I put it on. This is how it goes.
And a piece of pronghorn jerky. All right. You ready?
Yep. Let's go. Can you still see her?
A small. Just imagine hunting sheep.
Well, I ain't the brightest bird that ever flew. Just someone you knew, a road you traveled on. Well, I
Tags are
sit
filled.
still and I feel the wheels spinning.
In a pretty good area. This evening we heard a few shots. Pretty close by, so somebody's shooting at something.
Yep.
Oh, they're in there.
Okay. You think we should put some of that antelope sausage in there?
Or I can grill it.
I'd say let's cube it up and put it in the stew.
Goulash.
Put it in there.
In the spring of 1949, that's when I crossed the county line. It's there I saw in Seneca Creek a girl named Ruth who washed her feet. I told her my name was R.C. Ferris, that I'd marry her with half a care. She said I do, but no stone can reach the pretty shine of this here creek. The mud was deep and the roads were wide. We'd retreat and then retake the lines. Korean winters had torn me down and killed all the boys from my hometown. But I'm coming home, Ruth, my dear. I got money in my pocket, don't.
There's more of it. Hey, stop. There's another one. There's another one looking at us. Oh, hey. Big bull. Hey, we got big bull. The bull is down to the left. RJ, go left. of a little draw. I didn't record much at all yesterday. We definitely found where the elk are. Saw a massive bull this morning. They took off up the hill, and instead of pushing them, we decided to wait a little bit, let them bed down in the afternoon, and we're circling around right now and see if we can catch them. If not, we're going to go back to where we saw them this morning and sit and wait for them to come back by the creek. Right now, we are making ourselves some lunch. It is probably around 11:30. My watch is dead, so yep.
Sunshine beating on the good times, moonlight racing from the grave, string band playing more of that honky tonks, pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. High heel lady spitting at the Nicky Jacks, businessman with a needle and a spoon, coyote chewing on a cigarette, pack of young boys going howling at the moon.
You got blood?
Lung blood right
Lung blood?
here. Lung blood?
I
I think that's a piece of lung right there.
I'm just gonna peek back a little bit way. He's right here. Get first up.
Hey,
Birdie, let's go.
Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey.
This is where we started the blood trail.
So, about 6 o'clock, we got to the river and pushed up. Heard him bugling. Crawled about, what do you think, 300 yards? 500 yards, something like that. And 200-yard shot, he ran 15 yards and dropped.
Yep.
As happy as we could be.
Hey, darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey, darling, leaving for the next time. Let's have my set sketches up with me.
liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the last? I swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Lesson my sense catches up with me. Lesson my sense catches up with me.